Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to talk about how can you add the page numbers in your paginated report. So on your paginated report, if you're working with them, you definitely want to add the page number, like how many pages. Let's say it's one of 20 pages. Then when the users they are on the report preview, they want to know which pages they are at, right? So that would definitely help. So for example, if I run my report here and scroll all the way to the bottom to see the bottom of the page. So this is a time execution timestamp when the report ran. To the right, Power BI, or I mean, the report builder automatically adds that when you build the report. If not, you can also add that. However, my goal here is trying to show you guys how can you add this information on your report, bottom of the report. So I have page 1 of 4 here. So this is 1 of 4. And if I go to the second page, go all the way down, you can see page 2 of 4 and 2 of 4. And if I go to the last page, my page is 4 of 4, which means I have altogether 4 pages, right? So this would be a very helpful information when you build the report. You definitely don't want to miss this out. So how can you do that? Let's go and take a look. So for that reason, I am first going to get rid of this portion, and I will show you from the beginning. So here, this line, see this little dotted line, this is the footer section of the report. You can drag this and make a room and then work on it and shrink this down, so however you need, right? So this is the footer section, left footer section. So I'm going to insert a text box here, insert a text box, and let's make a bigger text box here. And this text box, let's fit this, align this with this one, align this, shrink this a little bit so it is aligned properly with this line here. And then within the text box, you right click and expression, click on there and equals. So first field you want to do is, because this is a text, so you want to do page and then colon and then and page, and then what you want to concatenate is, this is a concatenation, like in SQL you concatenate. Here in the report builder, this is how you concatenate two fields. Okay, this is my text, I'm putting that text, and there's a built-in fields which is overall page number. Double click on this one. Oops, hold on, this added over here. Okay, let me get that here, cut that and put it at the front. Okay, that's my page. I want the page. This is the overall page number. Like what that is if this is a second page, this is what it's going to say 2. If this is a fourth page, this is going to say 4. Okay, and you also want another end of make some space here so it doesn't stick with each other. Give some room there, breathing room. And another one you want is, there's another built-in function. It says the total number of pages in the report can be used only in the page header and footer. Okay, definitely I'm using in the footer here. So if I double click here, this is what it goes. So we're adding page, that's my text, and this is a overall page number and of, and this guy. All right, so these are two built-in functions we're concatenating with this field, and I mean text and this text. Okay, so let's say okay, and font size you can lower it down to 8 or 9 depending on your reports, you know, which one looks better for you. So let's go ahead and run and take a look if that's working or not. All right, so I'm on the first page. You can see on the top it also says 1 of 4, and I'm getting 1 of 4. If I go to the second page and scroll to the bottom of the page, this would say 2 of 4, 2 of 4. And if I go to the last page, this would say 4 of 4. All right, that isn't that pretty neat? Definitely you can customize this as per your text. You can add the text however you want to say. For me, this is pretty clear enough. page 404 or page 204, right? 304. If I scroll down, let's go down. Page 304, pretty clear and explanatory, right? So this is very helpful. So hopefully you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And thanks again for watching. Have a great one.